Hello everyone. This is first scenario in another series of I'm calling it mismatch in under image to diagnosis. Mismatch means there can be mismatch between ultrasound and clinical features or ultrasound or any other investigation, etc. Any mismatch will cover under this series. This is first scenario under general sonography. This was a 35-year-old woman presenting with menorrhagia, and she has a live child of 9 years. And previous scan reported as vaginal septum. But after the ultrasound, when the clinician did PV and speculum examination, she could not see any septum. So as a result, she was referred for second opinion. And this is the sagittal scan of the pelvis showing the bladder and uterus, and you see septum in the vagina. This scenario is to illustrate the significance of knowledge of embryology and possibilities of abnormal development, angle of incidence, utility of gas in ultrasound imaging, logical analysis with an open mind, and having an imaginative approach, the importance of it. So, and based on the imaginative approach, extension of the study appropriately. So, if you would like to see the workup of this case scenario, please log on to shownoshare.in, and under image to diagnosis, look for this series of mismatch, and this is scenario 1 in general sonography. Thank you.